Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple PHP program that will determine the length size of a given string using PHP as our programming language. Before we start writing the code, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button. Click the bell notification if you want to receive the newest updates of my video tutorials in my channel. Leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I am here in my text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that I will do is to write the script, starting script of PHP, less than question mark PHP. And then I have here dollar, let's say for example title, computer science, echo, header 1, rows, echo, let's say for example the length, string, dollar title, echo br, echo the 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 length of the string is dollar title, echo okay. The next step is question mark greater than. We save our work, press Ctrl S, and then in our folder, some folder, we go to htdocs, and then right click, select new folder, let's say for example length, select the save as type. In this case we are using PHP, so we have here, double click the folder, index.php. okay, so in counting a string, the space or the namespace is also counted. So first, the word for the word computer science, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So we are expecting 16 as the length of the string that we have. So let us open our browser. We simply write localhost and then length slash index.php. Okay, wait, there is a, I forgot now. Okay, I forgot something to call the function. That's okay. strlen. Title. I forgot to call the function strlen to get the length. Let us save again. Refresh. Okay, very good. We have the right result, 16 characters including the space. So we can add up here, save, We just simply refresh, no, to have a dot here. Okay, so here we go, guys. We have already finished writing the code, and then we have the right result on finding the length of the given string. In this case, the word is computer science, so there are 16 characters, including the namespace or the space between the word computer and computer science. Very easy because of the function strlen. So here we can clearly see that PHP has meaning built-in function for string manipulation. Before we end, thank you very much, guys, for watching and following my video tutorials. I really appreciate your support to my channel. Rest be assured that I will do my best to make more tutorial video and make programming much easier. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.